Now it's nothing.
She doesn't even struggle.
Yeah. She's like, I know what to do with this foot. I put the phone up
Might
here.
slip that.
Just holding your foot there so it doesn't slide off. Big deal. Just going upstairs.
That was a good one. Good foot placement, Charlotte.
Next, are we gonna come upstairs? Where did Bella go? Go take your phone upstairs. There's Bella. Do you want to go get her? Let's go get her. Come on. She says, I need to take my phone upstairs and charge it.
Yeah, you're doing a good job, little one.
There's Bella.
Getting tired?
I just did 2 flights. You know what to do. You were just doing it. You're getting ahead of yourself. One step. Here. There you go. Now put it up on the top. There you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Put your phone right there. Put it right there. Yeah. Put your phone right here. Put it right there. Good job.
Put it on the last step so she gets something to crawl to.
There it is. She says, can I use this?
Good job, little one.
Oh, oh. Keep going. Whoop.
She's like a pro now.
Just get you back up there. It doesn't help that you have feet on these jammies. Charlotte, we all know if you didn't have feet on these jammies, you'd be doing much better. Ah! Here, Mommy will help you the last one. You did it! You did it! It's like, Hi, Bella. Climbed up all these stairs. No big deal.
Charlotte, you want to look back? Yay, Charlotte! Yay! You climbed all the way up the stairs.
And she's gonna just stand right up and walk. Yay!
Hey, now Daddy can buy a new phone.
We've been waiting for